I'm going to be showing you a colored pencil technique using two colored pencils to blend to make it look like this one here. First, what you're going to want to do is pick two colored pencils. Make sure that they're close to each other on the rainbow. Don't pick things that are far apart, like red and green. It's not going to blend well. So I chose purple and blue. I'm going to start off with my blue because it's a little bit lighter. When you are coloring, make sure you have a nice sharp pencil point. That's really important because you don't use the very tip of the point, you use the edge of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start holding it. See how I'm holding it sideways? And I'm going to start shading or coloring in the same direction rather lightly. You don't want to go too dark too fast. As I approach the center of my L, probably right around here where the line was, if you remember that line, I'm going to start lightening my pressure. That means I'm not pressing as hard. So as I go down towards the center, it almost starts to disappear. It's a very light, all in one direction. Then I want to take my darker color, my purple, and do the same thing. Starting off pretty lightly, going in the same direction over and over again. As I approach that center, I start lightening my pressure. I'm going to go back to my blue and press a little harder this time, starting at the end. And I'm still starting to lighten my pressure as I get to the center. That's what's going to help the blend. I don't go all the way down, I stop around the center. Take my darker, my purple. Now I'm going a little bit darker again. Notice I'm going in the same direction. If you want to sometimes go in the opposite direction, that's okay. Just make sure you're not scribbling. That's when we get into trouble. So I'm going the same direction. Up towards the center. As I get to the center, I lighten my pressure. It overlaps just a little bit to the other color. And you can keep doing that. The more steps you take doing it, the better your blend will be. Darkening the pressure a little bit more. Still going lighter as I get to the center. Never going all the way to one side though, always wait. Starting with the purple. And add to it. If you keep doing it, you're going to get something like this.